Have you ever wondered why some farmers raise strong, healthy broilers with very few losses, while others keep battling cough, diarrhea, slow growth, and sudden death? The difference is rarely luck. It's usually the schedule. Most farmers use garlic and onions only after problems appear. By then, the damage is already done. Disease has entered. Growth has slowed. Profit has started leaking. But the smartest poultry farmers don't wait for sickness. They build immunity before trouble begins. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact seasonal garlic and onion schedule you can use from day-old chicks all the way to market age. This simple organic program helps strengthen immunity, improve digestion, support respiratory health, and reduce mortality, using ingredients already in your kitchen. If you're serious about raising healthier broilers naturally, subscribe right now. This channel is built for farmers who want better results, lower losses, and bigger profits. And before we continue, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today? I always enjoy seeing poultry farmers from around the world. Let's get started. Why most farmers fail with garlic and onion. Here's the mistake. Many farmers give garlic today, onion next week, then forget about it for another 10 days. That's not a system. That's guessing. And chickens don't thrive on guesswork. Broilers grow incredibly fast. Their bodies change every single week. Their health needs at day 3 are completely different from their needs at day 30. What works in the rainy season may not be enough during hot weather. What helps during brooding may be too weak during the grower phase. That's why random dosing produces random results. Today, we're fixing that. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete week-by-week organic vaccination schedule that you can apply immediately. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you how to adjust this schedule during rainy seasons, dry seasons, and cold weather. That part alone could save hundreds of birds. Week 1. Building immunity from day 1. The first 7 days determine everything. A weak start usually leads to weak finish. This is when chicks are highly vulnerable to stress, bacterial infections, and digestive problems. Many farmers wait until they see symptoms. That's a costly mistake. Instead, begin on day 3. Preparation. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Mix in 2 liters of clean drinking water. Allow it to sit for 6 to 8 hours. Strain thoroughly before serving. Administration. Give this solution for 6 hours only. After that, replace with fresh clean water. Repeat twice during the first week. Why it works? Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural antibacterial compound. It helps establish healthy gut bacteria and strengthens early immunity. A healthy gut means better feed absorption. Better feed absorption means faster growth. And that's exactly what you want. Most farmers underestimate how important week 1 really is. But wait until you see what happens in week 2. Week 2, disease defense begins. Now your chicks are eating aggressively. Their metabolism is accelerating. But so is their exposure to harmful microbes. This is when coccidiosis and bacterial infections often begin quietly. The birds may still look healthy. That's the danger. Preparation. Crush 3 cloves of garlic, half of 1 medium onion. Mix into 3 liters of water. Allow it to infuse overnight. Strain before use. Administration. Provide for 6 to 8 hours once this week. What farmers get wrong? They often make the mixture too strong. Stronger isn't better. Too much onion can reduce water intake. And birds that don't drink won't benefit. Always maintain balance. Practical benefit. Improved gut health. Better disease resistance. Stronger appetite. Reduced early mortality. This is where proactive farmers begin separating themselves from reactive farmers. But respiratory protection becomes critical next. Week 3 and 4, respiratory shield. If you've ever lost birds suddenly during rainy weather, this section is for you. Week 3 and week 4, dangerous periods. Respiratory infections often appear during this stage. Sneezing, coughing, nasal discharge, swollen eyes. And once it spreads, it moves fast. Preparation. Blend. For cloves of garlic, 1 full medium onion. For liters of water, strain carefully. Administration. Give once every 5 days. During rainy seasons, increase to once every 4 days. Why onion matters here. Onion contains sulfur compounds that support respiratory health. It helps clear mucus and reduce inflammation. Garlic attacks harmful bacteria and viruses. Together, they form a powerful natural defense. Many farmers only react after hearing coughing. By then, the infection has already circulated. Protection must come first. And now comes the stage where profits are truly made. Week 5, growth acceleration. At this point, every gram matters. Feed conversion becomes everything. A tiny improvement in efficiency can dramatically increase profits. Preparation. Use 5 cloves of garlic, half onion, 5 liters of water. Administration. Offer once this week. Benefits. Improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, enhanced weight gain, reduced feed waste. This is where garlic shines. Healthy intestines convert feed into muscle faster. That means heavier birds at market. And who doesn't want that? But the final week requires a slightly different approach. Week 6, final finisher support. Your birds are nearly ready. Stress increases. Air quality worsens. Respiratory issues can suddenly appear. This is not the time to relax. Preparation. Combine 6 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, 6 liters of water. Infuse overnight. Strain completely. Administration. Give once during the week. If weather is cold or damp, give twice. Why this matters? Final week losses are painful. You've already invested the feed. You've already done the work. Protecting birds now protects your profits. One preventable death at this stage hurts far more than losing a day-old chick. That's simple economics. Seasonal adjustments. This is where most farmers gain a huge advantage, because seasons change everything. Rainy season. Increase frequency by 25%. Focus on onion content. Respiratory disease risk is highest. Dry season. Reduce concentration slightly. Avoid dehydration. Provide during cooler morning hours. Cold weather. Increase garlic ratio. Support respiratory protection. Improve circulation and immunity. Farmers who ignore seasonal changes often wonder why a program suddenly stops working. The birds changed. The environment changed. Your strategy must change too. Important warnings. Garlic and onions are powerful, but they're not magic. Never overdose. Never use spoiled mixtures. Always prepare fresh extracts. And most importantly, this program supports your vaccination schedule. It does not replace essential veterinary vaccines. Natural support and proper vaccination work best together. That combination is difficult to beat. Quick screenshot schedule. Here is your simple weekly plan. Week 1, garlic only twice. Week 2, garlic plus onion once. Week 3, garlic plus onion every 5 days. Week 4, garlic plus onion every 5 days. Week 5, garlic heavy mix once. Week 6, garlic plus onion once or twice. Pause the screen and save this schedule. You'll thank yourself later. Final thoughts. Successful broiler farming isn't about treating disease. It's about preventing it. When you use garlic and onion strategically, you're not just giving herbs. You're building immunity. You're protecting growth. You're reducing losses. You're increasing profits. You're creating a system. And that's what separates struggling farmers from successful ones. You're not just raising chickens. You're building a healthier, more profitable poultry business. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and share it with another poultry farmer. Now, which season gives you the biggest challenge on your farm? Rainy season, dry season, or cold weather? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to learn the exact natural remedy for respiratory infections in broilers, watch the next video on your screen right now. Your birds will thank you for it.